Hello, I'm Simon Beaumont from Beaumont Media. This is Jason Featherby from Knight Financial. Say hello, Jason.
Hello, Jason.
We've got to the end of the financial year. Should we be thinking about superannuation at the end of the financial year?
Absolutely we should. We should always be thinking about our super, but in particular this time of year. And super contributions, just remember, you can make up to $25,000 of tax deductible contributions each year, increasing to $27,500 next financial year. But just remember that the $25,000, if you are planning on maximising it, does include your employer contributions, so the SG contributions that you receive. And little do people know, or many people don't know, but if you haven't maximised your $25,000 in prior years and your balance is under $500,000, then you can actually catch up. So if you had a really good income year, you can get some advice from your accountant or your advisor, and you can catch up unused prior caps in the current year, which a lot of people don't know.
So why should we make additional contributions?
Well, the obvious reason is to bolster your super balance, which is really important, and then get the benefit of the compound returns on those extra contributions during your working life. But it also saves a bit of tax. So pre-tax contributions into super are taxed at 15% as they go in. And if you're a higher income earner, 47% is the highest marginal tax rate, then potentially you can save up to sort of 32% on those contributions in tax savings. Better putting it in your super than giving it to the tax office.
And is there anything else we need to consider when making those contributions?
Yeah, there's a couple of things that a lot of people don't know about. We still have a government co-contribution, which basically says that the government will match contributions up to $500 on a $1,000 contribution if you earn less than $40,000 a year. So the government co-contribution, you put $1,000 in after-tax money. If you earn under $41,000 a year, the government will put in $500 of their own. I don't know where you can get a 50% return for free without any risk elsewhere. So be mindful of that. Also, if you make a $3,000 contribution for your spouse, you may be eligible for a tax offset of up to $540. So keep those in mind and get some advice.
Is there anything else you can suggest around taxation?
Yeah, there's not a lot you can do. The government's closed most loopholes. Super's your best bang for your buck, but make sure coming into tax time that you understand what you are entitled to claim and that you do claim it. You can also prepay tax deductible expenses. So if you've got an investment property or you've got income protection insurance, which a lot of people should have, and you've had a good income year, you can actually prepay them and get your tax deduction in the current year.
All right. The ATO, the Australian Tax Office, are they a great big bogeyman, or can you stay on their good side somehow?
The ATO are much maligned, as we know, but they do work with you. They're not unfair, and you can stay on their good side. And you do that by making sure that you only claim what you're entitled to. You keep really good records, and most importantly, you lodge on time.
All right. And I guess a good planner will help you with that, or a good tax person
within
a planning stable?
Yeah, both. A lot of the what you contribute, how you contribute it, and when you contribute, a planner will be able to help you with. In terms of lodging on time, if you do use a tax agent, then they will make sure that you lodge on time. You'll be in their program. They'll make sure that you don't claim too much, or you don't claim things you shouldn't claim, which will keep you on the ATO's good side.
And they can phone the tax office on your behalf.
They can, and they do, and a lot of what we pay them for, a good tax agent, is working with the tax office on your behalf. So if you've got a good tax agent and a good planner, you're halfway there.
Yeah, all right. So there you are, a bit of advice on the end of the financial year, Jason, a little bit around your super, a little bit around taxation, how to stay on the good side of the ATO as well. And we've got plenty of other podcasts for you to look at and enjoy.